Lotus had a problem. How do you replace a classic like the Elan? Colin Chapman, ever the innovator, wanted to move on and create a new design, but the public was still in love with the older design. His answer, the Europa, bringing the concept of the mid-engine sports car down to the dizzy heights of the supercar and down to the reach of the average person. But over the years, the Europa has lived in the shadow of the more classic Elan. And interestingly enough, they were both in production together for a short time. But has the Europa been harshly overlooked?
The Lotus Europa came in three different models. The Series 1, which could be identified by having bonded in side screens. The Series 2, which had electric windows. And the last model, and very desirable, is the Europa Twin Cam, which had the Lotus Elan Twin Cam engine. This is the most expensive, the fastest, and the best of the Europas.
Perhaps people are put off by the rumours regarding reliability on earlier Lotus models. We went along to Binks service station in Southport, who are Europa specialists. Not only do they manufacture replacement bodies and restore Europas that are brought in, but they also market their own chassis powered by Vauxhall's renowned 2-litre engine. And body inspired by the rare racing Europa 47R. So you can actually build a new Europa if you wish.
Binks started business as a parts supplier and rebuilder of the Lotus Europa. In the course of supplying parts, many of the parts were no longer available, and we started remanufacturing. Using modern materials and modern machinery methods, it was a short step to actually producing our own car.
So, do I like it? Well, if you've just stepped from a Mazda MX-5, this may seem a little raw, but it is a real driver's experience.